Our new album is called Reflection, and if we were to reflect back on some awkward moments from this year, I think one of the most awkward moments for me was when we had to go out as a 4-piece group instead of a 5-piece group.
Yes.
It was really awkward, like positioning-wise, like all of the formations and all of that. I mean, it was an interesting experience. So yeah, I think that was one of the most.
And we had to sing our parts.
Yeah.
It was a little
Train wreck, but
I was
okay.
sick. We got through it.
I'd say also when we received our VMA, our movement, I walked up with my phone case with me and it showed like the lion and it was literally facing the camera. And then also I tripped in front of everyone on the screen. It was really bad.
For me, it would probably be this morning when I tried to make a joke and nobody laughed.
No one laughed.
That's just kind of a
Nobody really laughed.
I mean, that happens like every day though, so I'm kind of used to it by now.
It's okay. You know what? You try.
Me and my boyfriend, we were out to eat, and basically I put my Invisalign in a napkin, but I got up and I forgot that it was there, and it ended up in his hand somehow. And he was like, ew, but it was really embarrassing.
Oh, Lonnie Bear.
That's not cute. Don't lie to her, guys.
It was gross.
I could grow up.